Alright, morning guys. We're getting ready to head out and we're heading to, we're down in South Alabama right now. We're getting ready to head to, I think today we're going to try to make it to Pell City. I think that's where we're heading to today. And then we're heading to Scottsville, Kentucky on Monday. But we're just getting ready to do my pre-checks here. Make sure we got oil and water. I don't know if I can set this thing up over here and you can see, but you know how to check oil and water. Y'all should. So that'll sit right there. This oil stick is about a mile long. It's not as long as some I've seen. Let's see there. Get my glasses on. Yep, full. Hasn't used a drop, and on this, I think this oil changes. I have to go look at the filter, but it's probably got 1,000 miles on it, maybe. And then the water, it's hid up here. There is an access door to get up there to it, but usually what I do on it is I stick my finger in there. If it comes out wet, I'm good. Belts look good. That's brand new belts. The only thing I wished I had done is put new hoses on. When I get back, I think that's what I'm going to get done. And I want to redo my exhaust system. And I want to repaint. Plans are to repaint someday. But the exhaust is bent. It took a hit right here at one time and they fixed it. But yeah, it's a little dirty. Alright, that checked out. Let's go check the generator. It runs right there. It seems like if I fill it up, it still comes back to that level. Oil's a little high. I don't know if you can see that. But it does use a little oil, so I'm not super worried about that. And the generator's got another, I need to run it about another 50 hours before I do an oil change. Just as a precaution. Alright, let's fire off the generator. I like to preheat it for a few seconds. Generator started. Now the Beaver. Cross your fingers. Alright. Get everything turned on here. Alright, let's let everything warm up. Still got a camera that don't work. It's less than a year old. I emailed the company. This one will clear up. That's my back camera. Usually I just, well, that one. I usually keep that and you see the Jeep. This is my radio that I use for navigation. This is a CB. And this is a GSRM radio that I got as a gift for free. So I just hooked all those up. This will be the first trip. There we go. Let's put the power cord up. all hooked up. Safety chains, everything's hooked up. The one thing I did do is I installed a battery disconnect so it doesn't run my battery down. The only problem is I have to redo my radio. I may have to work on a suggestion for that. All right, the Jeep is ready to tow. All right, I've already done these checklists. I've already checked my awnings. Already checked my fluids. And even, everybody knows how I pretty much do that. Do need to check my battery levels. Looks good there. Looks good there. All right, we got our pre-checklist done. We got the Jeep in tow. We got our directions entered, and we're heading out of Pell City from Lakeside Campground, heading to Scottsville, Kentucky, to Bailey's Point Campground. Beautiful morning.